25 he said find the volume of greatest right circular cone. Volume of cone must be greatest, that means volume maximum. So we need to differentiate volume of cone here. How cone is making is describing that the cone is described by revolution about the side of a right angle of hypotenuse 1 feet. So about the side of a right angle, this is, we have taken a right angle, its sides are h and r we are taking, and its hypotenuse is fixed given 1. So constant is this hypotenuse, right? Now see how to make a cone. That we have taken this right angle triangle where this is h, this is r, and this hypotenuse is constant 1 unit, right? 1 feet. So if we are revolving it by, suppose we are revolving it by this side, this we have taken h, by h side we are revolving. See, if we are revolving this, we will get a cone, right? Now if r and h are varying, suppose we are reducing its height, so if we are reducing its height, the cone, volume of the cone will vary. So maximum volume, he said, to find the maximum volume, that is the question. So if we revolve it around h, we will get a cone like this, as I told you just now. Volume must be greatest. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi by 3 r square into h. Now r and h, two variables, we need to solve it, means we need to convert it into single variable by using the constant given, and the constant given here is 1, and r square plus h square is equal to 1 square. This is the relation we can use. So we got here r square is equal to 1 minus h square. R square is equal to 1 minus h square. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we'll get the value that v is equal to pi by 3, r square is 1 minus h square into h. So we got volume in terms of single variable, that is h, differentiated with respect to that 1 minus 3h square. For maximum or minimum, put it equal to 0. Then we got 1 is equal to 3h square, that is h is equal to 1 by root 3. At this point, when h is 1 by root 3, volume will be either maximum or minimum. To prove it maximum, we need to differentiate it again. That is, for 1 it is 0, for this it is minus 6h, and double derivative at h is equal to 1 by root 3 will be negative. Negative means that volume is maximum at h is equal to 1 by root 3, and the question is find the maximum volume. Then volume from this equation, that is from equation 4, here volume is pi by 3, h 1 by root 3, h cube 1 by root 3 cube, that is 3 root 3. Take its LCM, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 root 3. So we will get 2 upon 9 root 3 pi centimeter cube, or whatever centimeter feet cube. So this will be your maximum volume. Just write it down.